course, we had to object to that because we had to ask at least for the proper basis kung bakit AI yung ginagamit. But ninote naman po ng ating presiding officer, kagaling-galang na presiding officer, yung aming objections. At kumbaga, pinagpatuloy pa rin naman yung pagtatanong. Sa atin, okay lang yun. We just had to really register our objection. Kasi syempre, alam naman natin yung AI sometimes does not really depict yung totoong itsura ng mga bagay-bagay. I would like to at least try to understand the side of the prosecution. Kasi syempre, siguro they just wanted to show some graphics to give a picture kung ano ba yung punto na gusto nilang ipasok doon sa kanilang pagtatanong. So perhaps that's the reason why they used yung ganung AI. But again, all we had to do was object to that. No? All we could do was object to that kasi nga baka hindi accurate. No? And usually, hindi nagiging accurate talaga pag AI sa ngayon. But nakikita naman natin yung punto ng prosecution, kaya nila ginawa yun. No? They wanted to give everyone, maybe not just people in court, but even the public, kung ano yung puntong gusto nilang marating. I think yung main concern lang talaga namin is kung accurate yung nakikita kasi baka exaggerated yung nakikita, baka o kahit hindi exaggerated, baka naman hindi talaga yun yung itsura ng gustong ipakita. But the witness naman is able to answer. So kahit papaano, no, yung kanina all we wanted was just to register our objection.